Hello, welcome once again. Today we're going to learn coding. This is one of the best skill set almost everyone has to get. Not for fun but for money. Well, here I'll be using a mobile app. Because it's not only possible on PC, but almost whenever you want and wherever you are on your fingertips.
You can create something.
We will be using this app because it's the best I've ever used.
It's called Treb Edit.
This app has a simple interface and extremely perfect for beginners to learn. It allows you to code and run your code easily. This allows users to check their project outlook at every single time they want. One of the most exciting things is that you can access its premium features after watching only 4 ads.
And there you have it. You have successfully subscribed to Premium.
So let's get to know how the app looks like, and don't forget to subscribe because the next video will be the awaited beginner's tutorial on coding. But now we are going to see some simple basics here. Let's first create a new file. After creating a new file, we will load a new project. It's named myfirstfile.html. This is how the workspace looks like. Let's try to code something with HTML and then see if it's working. Do not worry about the codes, because I'm going to create a full video just for you to help everyone start learning coding.
We will start with the basic language known as HTML.
We will then advance to CSS, known as the Cascade Style Sheets. This is used to style and design the web page. We will then get to the JavaScript known as JS. This is the one that gives responsiveness to the page, for example the buttons. Don't forget to subscribe or even leave a like and a comment. Let's hear your view in the comments.